Alright, so we're replacing the spark plugs in a 2017 Volvo XC90 Momentum. Alright, so first take off this engine insulator cover. These are T40s, but you might be able to loosen them by hand. Alright, so here's your 4 coils. We're going to start off on this side because this has this hose over it. So that's the only one that's a little bit different. All the other ones you can just take right out. We have a hose clamp here. So you can use channel locks. If you have one of the special tools, you can use that. Channel locks works great though. Clamp that back. Pull this hose off. Push it to the side for now. Alright, to release the ignition coil clip, you're just going to push down on this back end. I'm just using the screwdriver to point at it, but you don't need a screwdriver. You can just use your hand. Push that down. It opens it up, you pull it off. Should be pretty easy. This is 8mm bolt. Pull the ignition coil out. Good condition. This one looks good. This is a 14mm magnetic socket for spark plugs. I got a long extension here, so push that in there. You can see it's at an angle here. There it is. Actually looks great. Good looking spark plug. Alright, before putting the new spark plug in, I usually like to double check the gap. I'm using Volvo OEM spark plugs, but it's always good to double check. It's supposed to be 0.028. My tool isn't super accurate, so I have a 0.25. 0.25 fits, 0.30 doesn't, so that's correct. Alright, so we have our torque wrench set to 17 Newton meters. Put our new spark plug in. Carefully seat it in. Make sure you're not cross-threading. Take your ignition coil, put a little dielectric grease on there. Not too much, just a little bit. You might not need to do this with a pre-existing ignition coil, but you definitely should do it with the new ones if you're replacing it. Put your bolt back in, 8mm again. Tighten this down. Just hand tight's good. And reconnect. Reconnect your hose here. Pre-clip back. Alright, I went ahead and did the other 3, and I'm just going to wipe this whole thing down and put the cover back on, and I'm all done. Thanks for watching.